This 5-minute solution will show you how to disable automatic update in Xiaomi or Redmi devices. To disable or turn off automatic software update or MIUI update, go to your settings, tap on About Phone, tap on MIUI version, tap on this three-dot icon at the top right, tap on Update Settings. All you have to need is just disable these three options: download automatically, download using mobile data, and update automatically. Make sure these three options are disabled, and that's how we can disable automatic update in Redmi devices. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.